Hello everybody, welcome back to the second part of this tutorial. I hope you missed me, I missed you. And yeah, let's go. So now we already established the line work and we only have to put in the colors. So if you take a look at the original reference, we can only see two values, the lights and the shadows. And to differentiate between these two, there's a little trick. Try to pinch your eyes together like this. I know it kind of looks weird, but it helps, trust me. You don't need to do it to this extent, but now you should be actually able to see shapes. If you're brave enough, just estimate the colors, but if not, just use the color pickers on the original reference and just take the colors. And after we put the lights in, we put the shadows on another layer and we are done. Fantastic. I'm so proud of you guys and I will see you next time.